welcome back to our channel. This is my first official vlog for 2022, guys. And I just been quiet, doing family stuff, taking care of the kids, all that stuff, guys. But no, long story short, guys, I'm back on the Black Series. The interior, I park it in the sun in the summer for a few days, and the heat melt away all the adhesive of the carbon fiber on the dashboard. So I pull it down, took it to Bobby to let him to refurbish them. So I'm gonna go pick them up, install them, and get the car back fresh so me and wifey can go on dates again. But yeah, guys, this is what the interior looks like when it's all pulled down. Empty, guys. There's nothing there. So all of this stuff came from the factory, carbon fiber. So I'm gonna head out now and give you guys a little drive in the Black Series. Let's get a cold start. Here we go. This car sounds so good. Woo. Woo. Let me use my other hand, guys. Man. What a beast. What a beast, guys. No traction. One thing with Jamaican roads in the daytime, no fun. To drive a car like this on the road every day makes no sense. For one, you can't drive it slow because it's so aggressive and so fast, you can't drive it slow. And then two, gas, and it's not very comfortable because these cars come with racing suspension. Same with the Lamborghini that my friend has. Like, I've driven it a few times and it bounces so much. Suspension is so tight, and just like this car as well, this car suspension is super tight, guys, but it's fun to drive, man. Whenever I take it out, it's always fun. I always have fun. Alright, guys, so first stop by Owen, gonna check out some stuff, right? So this being a 2008 car, guys, it didn't come with an Android radio, so just bought one because I want to connect my phone straight. Watch out, man, I mash up my radio. Man, I mash up my radio. So a few wires in it, guys, to connect, and I didn't want to mess with it. So Owen going to deal with it, man. I teach him. I'm going to teach Owen a thing or two right now. Yes, sir. How much I learned from you over the years? Oh, exactly. Exactly. So this is what the carbon fiber looks like, guys. This one, I don't know, this one gets a little crack right here. You see the crack. But it's not, I mean, it's not bad. But yeah, this is what the carbon fiber looks like in the car. And I can see where the kind of ease up of the mold. There's a better one. See what it looks like, guys. So unfortunately the radio won't work because he has to do too many modification. I think this radio was mainly for 2005 CLK. Not wrong. For a 2005 CLK. So anybody with a 2005 CLK, this radio will work perfectly for your car. I don't want to cut any wires in this. I don't want to do anything. So yeah, not going to work. So yeah, let's hit the road. Huh? Yeah, man, now yeah, guys, going by Bobby now to put in the rest of the interior. So the interior back up and running a little dusty, but you don't know, so it's just a little wipe off. So everything is back. We're good to go, guys. So going back home now. And just like that, guys, we are home. So see you guys in the next one. Gonna park the car, wash it off, and hit the road with wifey. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification, and thanks for the support.